our story became a song, a story of the story of other people. Naging kanta na siya ng ibang tao, mga kaibigan namin, ng maraming tao. Hanggang sa naging kanta na siya ni Joy at ni Ethan. Hello Love Again. At naging kanta na natin yan. So, James, are you guys ready for this?